G'day everyone, this is the sound demo for the do-it-yourself guitar pedals Hydra Fuzz, which is based on the Solar Sound 3-knob tone bender. It's the tone bender with the tone control. I just wanted to mention one thing about tone control before we go on to the sound demo, just briefly. It's quite a good, got quite a good range. Goes from very trebly to quite bassy. And if you calculate the low pass filter, there's a 2.2 nanofarad capacitor and 100 nanofarad capacitor, and the tone control is 100k and a 10k that goes to ground. If you have a look at the schematic, you'll see what I'm talking about. Basically, you'll get a frequency response, a bass cut. It cuts off the bass. You'll get a bass cut from 7.2 kilohertz to about 15 hertz, so it's got quite a good range on it, and I found you can get some really sounds, basically starved sounds when you crank it fully to treble, but you will lose a lot of volume. You'll probably see in the video as I do it, I'll be compensating with that volume control, because as you remove a lot of the bass content, you lose a lot of volume, so you have to compensate with the volume control. And then obviously this one's just fuzz. So anyway, let's get into it. This is the sound demo, not a build report, so we'll do more playing, less talking. Let's get into it. that's the Hydra Fuzz. You can get the PCBs from my web store if you want to build one yourself. I've got the transistors as well, the AC125 sets, and as you can see from the video, it's got a massive range. It's I'm quite impressed actually, because I've built the Mark II tone bender, and I like the Mark II for different reasons, but I think this one's got going for it is the tone control, which is incredibly versatile, which makes the pedal actually quite versatile as well, and the range of the fuzz is really good too, but it's mainly the versatility and the ease of construction as well, because you don't have to worry too much about biasing it, and you know it's going to sound pretty good as long as you use the right HFEs and leakages for those transistors. You should get yourself a pedal that sounds a lot like that one. Yeah, so that's it. Sorry for a bit of the guitar playing was a little bit below par. I've cut my finger, as I said in the last video, and it kind of hurts. But anyway, that's the video of the Hydra Fuzz. Hope you like it. Like I said, if you want a PCB, they're on my web store. You can build one yourself. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and all that jazz. Thanks for watching.